Ooh, girl, she is bright. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, I'm doing the long-awaited swatches of the Red Velvet Love Kit. Oh yeah. If you guys don't know, I love Red Velvet. They are my favorite girl group. And I also love makeup. So this is perfect. It's perfect for me. So I'm gonna get straight to opening this. It comes with 5 lipsticks for each member, obviously, and also these cute little cards. So I can't wait to open it. Oh, okay. These are actually gift cards. Each one is a little gift card. Oh. Wendy! Each one of these is worth 2001 to Etude House, and that's really useless for me because I live in Canada. But yeah. Those are my girls, okay? Oh my god. Bitch, Yeri. I love her hair. Ah! Joy! Oh my god. Why? Irene. Bitch. No, bitch. Come on. Bitch. Anyway, so let's get into these swatches. These are the 5 colors here that all represent the different members. So I'm just gonna start with this one right here. This is Wendy Brown. It has like a frosted glass kind of, well, it's not glass, but it's like a frosted kind of packaging. The thing about frosted packaging is that you can't really see what the color is like when it's in the tube. So I'm gonna start with swatches on like the back of my hand. What the hell is that? Girl, I thought that was a piece of dirt, but it's just my black ass. That's what the applicator looks like. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like squiggly. Can you guys see that? It's like crooked? I don't know. It goes on really smooth. Yes. It's like an oil-based formula. That's like my kind of color right there. Okay, so next up we're doing Irene Red. Oh wow. That's like a classic red color. I love that. Ooh, I already know whose color this is without even looking at the package, girl. Oh yeah. This color screams Silgy. Then we have Joy Grapefruit. I'm so excited. Joy is my fave. Oh my god, this is so bright. Woo! That is like an orangey red. This is gonna be hot for the summer. A little baby Yeti pink. Ooh, damn. Looks like it might be a little patchy. Just going on my hand. I had to double dip. So that's what they look like. I like how the swatches just get bigger and bigger as I go along. Like I'm getting more excited. So that's what they all look like. Just going off of the swatches on my hand, I can tell that I'm really gonna like the first 3 colors. Well, they're not dry yet on this end, but these are like my main colors. I'm really gonna like these. The Joy one, I love. Leo, I'm talking about Red Velvet right now. Can you not? Let's try doing it on my actual lips now. So I'm just gonna go in the same order, starting with my Wendy Brown. I've already prepped my lips, so I was wearing this, the Laneige lip mask. It's just like a little mini one. And then in between swatches, I'm gonna be taking them off with my Klairs Cleansing Oil. Use code Darcey for money off. Oh wow. She's smooth and it's actually really pigmented. Like that's the thing about Korean lipsticks is that a lot of them are just like lip tints. So they're not super pigmented, which is like the style in Korea. But for me, I have 2-toned lips, so I need more pigment so that my lipstick doesn't look like it's like 2 colors, like because then it looks so weird. So this is what Wendy Brown looks like, and girl, I was right, it's my color, okay? Yes. It's very layerable, which I love, and it's very pigmented, so I only have to put about like 2 layers on, and wow, this is it's a really nice color. This is like perfect for springtime. It's got that nice brightness to it. It works really nice with darker skin tones. And it's also super comfortable, which I love about a lot of Korean lipstick brands. They tend to be really comfortable, smooth, soft on the lips. But let me take this off and put on another one because I could wear this all day. And it came right off with the Klairs Cleansing Oil and a wet paper towel. I'm going to demonstrate on my hand. She put up a good fight. She's a no match for Klairs. Look at that, girl. Ugh. Klairs, it really gets you clean. Use code Darcey. Alright, next I have Irene Red here. The formula is so smooth and then it just dries down to this matte finish. So this is like a really like cherry red kind of, but this red is, on me, it's more muted. I feel like when I try the Joy one, that's going to be like the pow kind of red. Oh, okay, as it's drying on my lips now, yes. Oh. That's like when you see a guy who's like, you know, he's not that cute, like he's okay, but then he starts talking and girl, he's an intellectual. And then you're just like, oh. That's what this lipstick is doing to me right now. So the only problem I have so far with these lipsticks is that they can be like a little bit patchy. But it's very easily fixed by just adding another layer. Because I do have two-toned lips, it's like very obvious when something is patchy on my lips. Also, for reference on our differences in skin tone and what lipsticks look like on different skin tones, this is what the lipstick looks like on Irene. White as snow Irene, and this is what it looks like on me. Now for the vampy one of the bunch, we're gonna do Silgi's color, which is the Silgi Burgundy right here. Okay, so far this one seems to have the most richest pigments of them all. So I'm noticing as the colors dry down, they do change. Okay, I see it happening right now in front of my eyes. They do change into like a little bit lighter, it seems. So when I first put on this color, I'm like, and now as it's drying down, I'm like, yeah, yes, daddy. Guys, I just called a lipstick daddy. What have I become? Next, we are moving on to Joy. Like all the others, this is such a pretty color, but I feel like the formula might be a bit thinner. It's a little bit difficult to get the full pigmentation because my bottom lip is mostly one color. It's fine, but the top lip, you can see the patchiness a lot more. This is gonna make the color dry faster, and also I'm so hot. I might be able to layer it, but you can see on the top lip here where there's patchiness. See where my lips change color? So that's an issue for me. And then last one in our collection is Yeti Pink. Ooh, girl, she is bright! So just like on my hand, this one's coming out really patchy as well, even though it is so pretty. It's really disappointing that the lighter colors are more patchy. I'm gonna try my best to finesse. So as you can see, the patchiness in the Yeti Pink one is just insane, which is so disappointing because this is a really nice color as well. It is very like a Barbie pink, like in your face, so it's not for everybody. Yeah, no, it's a no. Okay, so I put Wendy Brown back on. But anyway, in conclusion, guys, I really like the colors of these lipsticks. I really like the colors that they chose for each member. It really suits each member. Do I think it's worth it to get the whole set? And like, just because of the patchiness of the lighter colors, not really. But you can get them all individually as well. Let me tell you, the package of getting them all together is so hard to find, guys. I don't know how I got so lucky that I found these. I bought them off of YesStyle. So I bought the whole set and it took forever to get here because even though I had bought it, it was out of stock. Like, I know I'm definitely going to be wearing these. I'm definitely going to be wearing all of them except for probably the Yeti Pink because it's just too patchy and it's not really like my color anyway. Hopefully I can find a link for you guys and leave it in the description box, but once again, I told you that this is so hard to get your hands on if you don't live in Korea. Probably even if you do live in Korea, it's hard to get because anything red velvet, gone. But yeah, guys, so check the description box to see what I managed to put down there. And I want to thank YesStyle once again for being one of the few websites that actually ships to Canada. Like, thanks! So if you guys want me to review some more stuff, definitely leave it in the comments down below what you want me to review, because as far as I know, nobody with this complexion is doing reviews on K-beauty, so Let me know what you guys want to see. I will try my very, very hardest to get my hands on them, and then I will do a review for you. I know you guys have been waiting for some more 3CE stuff. I do have some 3CE stuff in a haul that is coming up very soon, so hold on for that. But leave anything you want in the comments below, and I will try my hardest to review it for you. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. I love you so, 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 so much.